Alright, this is just a quick vid of a real easy way to do soldering on the car. Sometimes it can be a pain in the ass if you don't have a nice workstation where you can set everything down to, hold the wire, hold the soldering gun, hold the solder. So this is just an easy way I found to solder on the car. Right now I'm just made a new harness to extend the MAF, and I'm soldering it on, so I'll show you how to do that. And really all it is this part here is just get about an inch and a half piece of solder, thin gauge, and just wrap it around what you're gonna solder together. That way you don't have to hold it, so it just sits there. And then I have a 0 wattage iron. I have it set on halfway, about a 5. And basically just run the top and the bottom real quick a couple times. And as you can see, 360, nice even coat, solid coat all the way across for a really good connection.